Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're gonna make this upcycled denim yarn ball. What? So let me show you how to change these into this. So I have these jeans, they have holes in them, they don't fit quite right anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up into denim yarn. Let me show you how to lay them out and then we'll start cutting them up. I'm going to measure out strips and then I'm going to cut them about a ½ inch thick. So you see, I've got some crazy marks, but you see I'm making this ½ inch grid. I'll keep going all the way across and I think one leg should get me what I need because I'll be doing 2 layers at once. Don't cut through this, it's just gonna be heartache and sorrow. Just cut it off right there. I'll save these so I can do another project later. I'm definitely saving these pockets so I can do something else. I've got all this striped out. Now I'm gonna start cutting along the lines. I've got all my strips cut and I'm gonna link these together. What you're going to do is you're going to take your strips, pinch them just a little like that, and then make a nip. So we've got a little cut in this. We're gonna do the same thing on this one. I've got my 2 guys. I've got this one folded in half. I'm gonna put this one inside of this one. Oop-de-doo. Here's my slit in this one. I'm gonna take this end and I'm gonna put it through and pull it. I'm not gonna pull this too much because I don't want these to rip through. There. Now I'm gonna join all these together so they look like this. Okay, I've got my joins done. You may be asking yourself, well, what do I want to do with this denim yarn ball? Stay tuned for next week because I will show you what I'm going to do. I didn't actually join them. I left them as a double length. So I have my join here and here's my ends. I left them like this. Why? Stay tuned for next week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.